everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. This portable shoe rack organizer from ANTBOX has been a game changer. I love how organized my shoes look. You can either choose to have this in the entryway or in a closet. You're going to see that it prevents your shoes from getting dusty. And I really like too that you can fit men's shoes that are up to size 12 or women's shoes that are up to size 13. They are very spacious, and I particularly like this one that fits 28 pairs because you can also fit your boots in here. This is super easy to set up. You can literally set it up in less than 5 minutes. You're going to see the folding design that you just expanded. You're gonna make sure the doors clip, just like you heard here, and you stand it up, and that is it. The doors are magnetic, so they're not going to be opening, and it even comes with additional items, so you make sure that it has stability and it's not moving around. It also comes with extra items just in case you lose this. I love everything about this, and I would highly recommend it to all of my friends. So if you're looking to organize your shoes and have them free from dust, definitely check the shoe organizer out by ANTBOX, and that is my point of view.